Washington State University, number 11,
Hey, come on, man. Say, man, you what? Listen, hold on. Hey, listen. Hey, say, man, listen. Hey, we have a big, now for real talk. Hey, straighten up. I have a big announcement. Listen, if this is your very first time trading live with me, if this is your very first session with us, I have a huge announcement. Listen up.
welcome to the party.
Welcome to the party. Welcome to the 15-minute Mafia boys.
Welcome to the party.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Say, man, you what? You know what I'm saying? In a real way. What's up, people? We gonna get straight into it, man. We not gonna wait no more seconds. We're not gonna wait no more seconds, bro. I promise you, we're not gonna wait no more seconds. The wait is over. I am back! We are back! I gotta add that sound. We are back! Woo! We are back! Alright, here we go, man. You know what I'm saying? Rodney with the news. We got 3 red folders at 8:30, so we won't be taking trades till after 8:30. Red folders at 8:30. Average hourly earnings. Oh shit! Today's NFP. Yeah. Today's NFP. Yeah, fuck that. NFP. 8:30 NFP. NFP boys. You know what I'm saying? In a real way though. Damn, go back. Damn. Fuck. Slick charts. So first we got Ronnie with the news. Now we got slick charts. Slick charts show us the actual stocks inside of the NASDAQ 100. Got it. You know what I'm saying? So it's a lot of green, but not too much. Apple is down, but it's not like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's just kind of like 0.5%, shit like that. But it's green, right? Then you look at NASDAQ today. It's kind of just been up and then ranging, right? So y'all remember this markup from yesterday, right? Crazy, right? I know y'all remember this shit, right? For all my SVG people, remember I said that? And it was actually on the 1 hour, right? So this was a 1 hour FVG setup, fair value gap. When price pushes up, pulls down, blows right past this high, never comes back to it, closes above. The next candle does not, well, the next candle fails to come back to it and then pushes up and closes up. That leaves a fair value gap from the top wick to this bottom wick. That's where price, the banks, institutions, whatever, tend to put their orders, or price gravitates towards to fill that gap that they left, right? The algorithm, right? So then there was probably a bunch of buyers here that pushed price up, right? So that's pretty cool, right? I don't trade those, but I try to, you know what I'm saying? I don't try to look for them, but if I see them, I'll stay aware of them, right? You know what I'm saying? All right, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to keep going. First of all, we got to go to our 4 hour highs and lows real quick. Let's go at our 4 hour highs and lows. So we'll go to this one. This one hasn't been touched. Now we'll bring it down to this FVG low. Then we'll go like a low. It's already there. So that's about it. Bong bong. So that's the 1 hour. So if price wants to continue up off this FVG and continue trend, I wouldn't be mad at it. All right. 1 hour FVG came into it, 50% of it. Oops. Rejected out, right? So when this pushed down, made a break of structure here, this green candle became a valid order block. Hold on. Let's see this red candle right here. The price is gonna keep pushing up because it already rejected this order block, hit the MA, now it's back into it. So the next move is parabolic straight up. Straight up to these highs. Alert. Boom. Fuck! Fuck! Yo! All I had to do was just enter that bitch. Come on, man. I be so on point, bro. That shit is really disgusting. That shit was disgusting. Did anybody take the buy, like, on some big ball shit? Like, did anybody take the buy? What the fuck? Oh, forgot. Yeah, the 8:30. I lost track of time. Yeah, I lost track of time. Bro, what the fuck, Tasha? Did I click enter in 1K? You're done, G-Money. Stop it. You're done for the day. You're done for the day. You're done. You're done. If anybody bought that, do not take another trade. Bro, that was probably the coolest. Bro, listen, y'all, I've been showing y'all this probably 5 to 10 days straight now. When you see an order block that's supposed to be an order block that's usually counter trend, right? They're going to come into it, reject it, then come back to the bullish sediment, whatever, right? That makes no sense because I don't know what that is. But it comes to a bullish confirmation, right? So there's an order block right here. There's a moving average right here. And then it pushes up in trend direction. Holy fuck. All I had to do was just click. Dink! That would have been an easy rack like G-Money said. Yeah, that was super fire, bro. Tasha said she caught that bitch. G Money caught that bitch, made 1,000. Come on, man. Come on, man. That's what we do. That's fire, bro. They said, man, if Bruce say it, I'm in. The fuck is that? They said if Bruce say it, I'm in. That's fire. Good shit. Tasha, how much did you make? Tasha, how much did you make on that trade? Yo, this trade was bananas. She said she was down 789. Now she's up 187. So that means you made. So that means you made 789. Then you made 889. Then you made another 80 something. So you just made like 1,000 or 900, something like that. 900 to 1,000, something like that. Now I see why Take Profit Trader won't let us trade news on the live account. Exactly, $580. Oh my god. So listen. Let me break down this trade. Hey y'all, let me break down this trade. I called it. I didn't take it, but a couple members in the chat took it, right? So let me break it down. So when you have an order block, right? So right here, when this push down made a break of structure, price comes into the order block. But if it's counter trend and the direction is up, then we fade those, right? We fade those counter trend order blocks. So you wait for a rejection, then you wait for a bullish confirmation, counter trend of the order block confirmation. You have your order block right here. Also, you have it lining up with the moving average on the 5-minute chart. And then boom, you take your longs, and then it's going to push out and violate this order block with speed. So I said that. Couple minutes later, boner candle straight to the highs for NFP. Tasha made over $900. Hilton made $580. G Money made $1,000. Are you kidding me? Only a couple people with balls took that, and they cashed out. Oh my gosh. All right, Blackbird, I'm going to tell you what Emmy I use right after this video. Got it? So listen, if you want to trade live with me every single morning, Monday through Friday, join up at tradewithbruce.com or message me directly for the discounted link. 8 a.m. every single day. Let's get it, boys. Like clockwork, people. Happened 0.5 seconds after you said it. Well, yeah, but realistically, it was like a minute. It was like a minute or two. Because I was watching it on this red candle. And then the next candle opened. I was still scared. Not ready to enter. And then boom, next candle said bing, bing. So yeah, that would have been an entry. Take profit at the highs. Beautiful, bro. Straight move through it. Yeah, shit like that. Right? So another way you can catch trades like this, y'all, that I see all day, every day, bro. Listen to me, y'all. This is important what I'm about to say. Pull out your phone, record it, whatever do the fuck you gotta do. Listen, what I'm about to tell you is fucking critical to your trading. I see it all day, every day. Hey, hold on. Hold on, cuz. the chopper is filled with criticals. Y'all like, he probably don't know he unmuted. Yes, I fucking do. I'm a grown man. I know what the hell I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? We back in it. Alright, here we go. Alright, listen. Pull out your phones, because what I'm about to say is critical. All big moves come after a liquidity grab. They must take money before they give money. Got it? Let me show you an example. I got a top base filled with criticals. So when you see lows like this, and then big moves on the other side, that's it. Right? So when you see moves like this, then you flip over, take the OB to the opposite direction. That's damn near it. Right? That shit right there is damn near it. Right? Now that I've shown you that, you should be able to go identify a lot of other setups, big or small, that do the same thing. And it don't even have to be like this fat ass order block, because there was one right here you could have caught in the same direction. You know what I'm saying? So the moral of the story is, look for a liquidity sweep. That'll be the big move. Remember yesterday, I was like, okay, I'm not tripping, so. Fuck. So remember yesterday, I was like, it's going to grab these highs and then it's going to tank. That's exactly what happens, right? So they grab highs, let's see, like right here. Where was it at? Even right here on a small, doesn't matter. They're going to come up to these highs before they reverse down, right? And that's just to reverse, right? Then you look, I would mainly focus on trend direction though, right? So if we see this right here, you look for lows to be grabbed and a big rejection from it. So this is the liquidity sweep again after the first one. So this was the first one to push up. Then they grabbed up here, right? And we'll look at this. You see a high, then you see they grabbed it once, and then that's where the move happened, right? So you always should look for shorts right after it makes a new high based on your trend direction. And then you start seeing confirmations like order blocks. When you see liquidity grabs like this and order blocks, and then they tank, that's what they're doing. That's it. So this is the hidden agenda. All these shits are running highs and lows. That's it, bro. So before something shoots the fuck up, stop trying to buy it at the highs. Don't be scared or don't understand why it's going to break the MA, break the order blocks and all that shit. Because it wants to come to a deeper order block and it wants to be able to grab liquidity and hit, aka people's stop losses. We got to take money before we give it. Got it? We got to take it before we give it. And that's where these big moves come from. Every time they take it, big moves go the other way. Why? Because they just got people to sell it right here. Now their stop loss is above, so we go there with speed. They got people to buy it, so where do we go? We go the opposite direction. Where? At this high, because that's where their stop loss is at, so that's where they go with speed. Boom. There's your lesson. Liquidity is everywhere. It goes up and down because of that. Now, how does it go up and down? Off of these order blocks, off the moving average crosses, and Blackbird. This is the 7 smoothed. Yeah, 7 smoothed. I got a chopper. It's filled with criticals. So yeah, that was pretty much a setup. Buy, no. Sell to buy, and then push through, violate it. They could later come back to this high, reject and go up. Okay, so if it wants to keep going, what MA do you use? Didn't I just say that? Are you fucking with me? Are you fucking with me right now? I got a chopper. It's filled with criticals. We got highs here. Highs here. Things just confirming 3-year-old right here. Oh, okay, so you didn't hear me. I got a chopper. It's filled with criticals. This long would not be wrong right here. Like, you know what I'm saying? If we're focusing on only trend direction, lower time frame, this is the break, structure, pull back to the order block, continuation, breakthrough, make new highs. Let's see, if I were to go long here, create new order, buy limit, I'm risking like 7 hundo to make like 7 hundo. I got a chopper. It's filled with criticals. Hey Rodney, we done with news today? That was it? Just the yellow folder at 10. Ouch. This candle flip right here won't look bad. Which will be on the same level as the golden zones. So if we were to go long, where are we targeting? What's the liquidity we're looking for? The purple line? Yeah, but I would get out at the golden zones. Alright, new 5-minute candle just opened. Alright, Ash. We'll see you Monday, Ash. 8 a.m. Eastern, same time, you word. She said she tired of this 9 to 5 shit. Oh, God. We gotta get you up out of there. Yeah, man. But the only way to get out of there is to be consistent. The same way you're consistent for them, you just gotta be consistent for yourself and you can be out of there. Same way you can be consistent for them, you can be consistent for yourself and get yourself out of there. 6 years putting up with them folks. Right? So picture, you know, man, you go hard for the next 6 years. You won't even need that much, but picture where you would be if you kept growing for 6 years. I'm on year 10. And I'm growing faster than I was growing the first 5 years. You dig? You know what I'm saying? I think I'm about to go long here, brother. Targeting the golden zones. So I got my sell limit at 074. Order block is rejecting nicely. Intellectual, I say right? Intellectual developmental disability. That's strong right there, girl. So definitely respect. Respect for sure. Like Kyle say, that's definitely not for the weak. Respect on that for sure. For sure. Yeah, let's go, man. Push me up. I got a chopper, it's filled with criticals. She like, Glitz, you so unforgettable. Here we go, boner candle, boys, straight to the target. Boner candle straight to the target, boys. Boner candle straight to the target. Yeah. We ain't going to Walmart, boy. We going to Target, boys. We about to go to Target, boys. We're going straight to Target. Oh, I'm getting out early, bitch. Hurry up. I got a chopper, it's filled with criticals. I'm out full 380! 380! Stop playing in Target hit, boy! Hey, W's in the fucking chat! P&L in the fucking chat, you heard? Hey, Ass, this for you! Hey, Ass, before you go! Hey! Hey, you know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walk over. On God. Hey, Ash, where you at? You at? Huh? Ash, she left. No, she left. Fuck. She literally left, bro. That trade was less than 4 minutes. How many we was in it? Right here, ain't it? We was in there 4 minutes, bro. We don't fuck around, guys. Yeah. Oh God. Come on, man. Put me in retirement early. Let's fucking go, bro.
You know we don't miss. 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 Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Waukesha over Trish. Waukesha over Trish.
Hey, W's in the chat real quick. W's in the chat, P&L. Oh my God. What a beautiful day to be a beautiful day, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but I think that's fine this week. I don't know about y'all, but I think that's fine this week. Oh my God, we did it again.
You know we don't miss.
Hey,
you know we don't miss.
Hey,
you know we don't miss.
Hey, you know we don't miss. Hey, walk over Trish. Hey, Pete. Hey, Pete, listen. Hey, that's 18 days in a row. We just went 5-0. We just went 5-0 this week. We went 5-0 last week. We went 5-0 the week before that. That's 3 weeks in a row, boys! Not one single losing day. We just caught this beautiful 1-minute order block. Oh my God, I only wanted half of it. We could have entered here, right? But it was a big risk of like $800. So I waited till price got to my golden zones indicator. Then we entered a long and we got out right here at my golden zones indicator. Now price is pulling back to this order block to potentially continue and make new highs. Oh my God, this is what we do every single day, bro. Huh? Let's see how much the chat made. 989. He's up 6K for the week. 620. 396. 515. 330. Profited all 5 days this week. 947. 362. 375, 135, 444, 181, 315, 820, 780. Are you kidding me? Let's go! Join up at tradewithbruce.com Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern. Message me directly for the discounted link, boy. Let's go! You know why, right?
You know we don't miss.
Hey, you know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Waukesha over Trish. Waukesha over Trish. Oh God, come on, man. Stop playing me, bro. Boom! You better ask about me, yeah? Tell them boy Ronnie. Hey, tell them boy Ronnie. Bro, we get on here at like, what, 8:20, 25? Within 30 minutes, bro. After NFP, we cash the fuck out. Fuck. All right, Apex code. Let me see. I got you. Apex code. I'm gonna put it in the. I'm gonna put it in the. Apex. Hold on. I sent the link somewhere. I gotta look at that shit. All right, here you go. All right, I'm gonna put it in the Discord. You think it's gonna push through that golden zone? Yes. If it's gonna, listen. Why? All right. Yes. The answer is yes. Why? Because we're going to liquidity. Price only moves to liquidity. If it wasn't a high here, maybe not. But now that there's a high here and we done grabbed liquidity down, we grabbed liquidity here. We took liquidity here, and we're still pushing up with strongs with momentum. That's when you target the next liquidity, aka the golden zone. You can target scalp here to here, then look for another pullback, and then you can go from here to here and then extend it, or you can go from here to here, get out, and then scalp again from here to here. Shit like that. But yes, we are going to this purple line, bro. Yes. Plain and simple, bro. Right? But do it smartly, though. Remember I said this order block right here? On video, I said that shit. On video, I said that shit. Right? On video, I said that shit a few minutes ago. And then it came back to the golden zone and then pushed up. Made new highs, just like I just said on video. Right? Hey, Gasson, if you have 150 to make on your daily goal, take a break. Come back later around 11 or 12, bro. Take a break. Take a fucking break, bro. Go take a break, bro. Go take a break. Go take a break. There's an order block right here on the 2-minute chart. So price is going to come down to this, possibly if it's going to continue up, come back into it and make new highs, or it could just boner candle and push up now off of this one. Just shit like that, man. Literally, bro. This shit here, bro. This shit here, bro. What Lotto say? This shit on the flow. All right, I'm gonna post that Apex in the shit real quick. Hey, I need y'all to go post some profits. Post some profits in that live trading profits channel, bro. Post a screenshot of y'all profits in there if y'all want. I kind of want y'all to. They'll be lit. Cause y'all did it that one day. Y'all was loading that shit up. That shit was fire. I be wanting to see that shit. That shit fires me up, bro. Right? Show me the fruit of my labor. I come in here and I plant a garden every day. All I want to do is see my beautiful flowers. That's all I want to see. Beautiful flowers. Just send a screenshot, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Nah, it's 46 people on here, bro. That's fire. Alright, let's do a little shit. Let's go 4K. Alright, man. We got 46 people on here, man. Oh shit. Hold on. This shit's still pumping. What if I do 30? Alright, y'all, peep, man. We got 45. Somebody just left. They mama hoe. So listen, we got 46 people on here, 45 people on here, man. We live, you know what I'm saying? Price still pushing. Come on, man. Stop playing with me, cuz. Stop playing with me, cuz. You like Apex or Top Step better? Top Step. Top Step. Top Step all day. Gas and take a break, please. So I open. Would they possibly start selling to catch the buyers theoretically? You know, ain't no telling, right? Theoretically, it could open up and just push the fuck up. But bro, it's 30 minutes away. That's 30 minutes away. Anything can happen. This shit is about to hit in the next 10 minutes. You have a code for them? No. Top Step doesn't do no codes. Only codes is Apex. Their shit's pretty cheap, but their rules are kind of strict to make you like have to take profit because of the live trail and drawdown. And you gotta trade for more days to get a payout, and you can only get a certain amount of your payout. You gotta make an amount before you can get the amount that you want. It kind of don't make sense, but Top Step pretty crystal clear. Whatever you make, you can take out 50% of it, as long as you have 5 days of $200 or more. So the minimum payout is $500, but you have to have $1,000 balance to withdraw that. You get what I'm saying? So you got to make 200 for 5 days. So they're forcing you to make 1,000 to be able to take out 500. Of course, if you make 10,000 is the max. If you make 10,000 and then you can take out 5K, 50% of that max. So the max you can make on any payout on Top Step is 5,000 times 5 accounts. So then it'll go 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Got it? That's why it's good to have a cushion in each account. Yeah. Because then when you withdraw that 50%, yes, now you only have that 50% left to grow your account again. But if you're good and follow risk management, know how to calculate your risk per trade, and then know how to make $200 per day without losing, you're good. You can consistently get payouts like me. I'm literally on, I don't know how many it's been, but literally I got a payout 7-something days ago. Now I just requested another one yesterday. Last night they subtracted the money out of the account, so I'm good to trade it. So that means the payout should be touching down today by this evening. That quick. That shit's quick as fuck, y'all. That shit's quick as fuck. So that's why I fuck with Top Step. What's the rule about 30 days? I don't know. After 30 winning trading days, you can withdraw your full balance. After 30 winning trading days, you can draw your full balance. Yeah, take profit allows you to withdraw daily. Yeah, but you got to put, 8 days in or 5 days in before you can start doing the daily, right? Then you got to make a certain amount before you can start doing the daily, right? And you have to wait certain days to do their combine, right? Exactly. XFA, that shit's funded. Sim funded, boy. Sim funded. 5 days already there because of you. Exactly, Rodney. Good shit. Good shit, Rodney. I like that, man. Join the Top Step soon for sure, bro. Alright, man. Let's wrap this shit up, man. We're not finna beat a dead horse. I'm about to get out of here. That's a 5-0 week. Hold on. Let me update the stats real quick. What's today? What's today? 5-2. So we're on a 2-day streak in the month already, y'all. 5-2, 25. Green Day. Guess what? How many days now, y'all? Y'all know how many days in a row now? Not in a row, but alright, y'all don't know. Never mind. 91 out of 98. And that, I'm sure, hold on, 91 out of 98. We might have went up on percentage. 91 out of 98. Hold up, y'all. Oh, I just broke 92%. Holy shit, boy. 91 out of 98. I just broke 92.8% win rate. Oh! See, bro, they denied your request because of risk management. Bro, that's crazy, bro. That's insane, bro. No, I'm not dealing with that. Bro, oh my God. Big announcement, bro.
You know we don't miss. 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 Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Waukesha over Trish. Waukesha over Trish.
Wait. 91 out of 98. Alright, hold on, y'all. Hold on. Hey, hold on. I'm tweaking. I did the math right. It is 92.86, right? 92.86. But I'm thinking we broke 93%. We didn't yet. So in a couple more days we'll break it. I'm tripping. I thought we were stuck at 91 for the longest. No, we've been stuck at 92 because every day it goes up 0.1%. Every day we win, we go up 0.1%. 0.1%. So yesterday was 90 out of 97. So 90 out of 97. So that's 92.78, right? Yesterday. 0.78. So today we are at 92.86. Okay. So 91 out of 80, 98. So let's go 99 and then 92. So that's going to be Monday. That'll be 92.3. And then we go out of 100 trades, out of 100 trading days, 93 days. That'll be 93%. So next Tuesday, I'm already going to speak it. Next Tuesday, we're going to hit 93% win rate. And we're going to be 93 out of 100 trading days. What?
I gotta see. Just say no. No, I gotta see. No, just say no. I gotta see.
They made my friend break down her trades before payout before she killing them, and they couldn't believe it was her trading. No, we don't have time for that BS. Not facts. Hey, for real though, but eventually this prop firm shit is kind of only temporary, bro. We here to get a bag, and go personal. Then you make your 10, 15% a day over there. Then you can take that shit out. 10% a day, y'all. 10 days, you're doubling your account. You get what I'm saying? 10% a day in 10 days, you're doubling your account. You put in 2 racks, you're making $2,000 a month now just by making 10% a day, bro. Right? Plain and simple. That's it. Use props to fund personal, because, bro, these rules are not going to get better in our favor. They're not. They don't want us to win long term. We're going to keep getting denied. So picture us going on a 29-day win streak. I try to withdraw fucking 100,000 from whatever Apex or whatever, and they deny me. Oh, you got to do another 8 days. And what's statistically going to happen? Eventually, you're going to fucking lose. And then you might blow the account. Boom. They never have to pay you out for your amazing trading. Versus personal, you can take out whenever, whatever. Right? So that's why I'm staying under the radar. I'm not trying to max out. Like, maxing out is cool, but I'm not trying to max out none of these props. I'm not trying to go viral. I'm not trying to do none of that, because that's when you start to get denied. They start playing around, closing your account. You can no longer trade. So you might as well just be ready for the fuckery, because it's coming. Right? If I'm close to combine passing, but the month ends and the 6K hasn't been hit, as long as I pay the monthly, it won't reset back to 100K, or will it? No, it won't reset, I don't think. And then let's say you blow it, you already have a free reset right there because you paid already. But if this is Top Step, you might want to live chat with them, and confirm. Correct. Right? Yeah, you might want to confirm and check, because I don't want to tell you something that ain't correct. Like I work there, because I don't know the full details. Because guess what? It won't take me a month to hit a combine. I'll try to do that shit in 2 to 4, maybe 6 days max. So that's simple. Divide your profit target by however many days you really want to pass it by. Right? So the minimum is 2. So 6,000 divided by 2, you can only make 3,000 max a day. Okay, so that's kind of far-fetched, maybe, right? So divide 6,000 by 4 now. Now that's less than 2 or 3, something like that. Then you go to 6 days. Then you can go to 8 days. Then you go to 12 days maybe, or 10 days, 2 weeks, 2 full weeks. So 6,000 divided by 10, what, 600 a day. And that's simple, bro. It's not too hard. It's not too hard at all. Exactly. My old head was saying 500 to 1K a day is the move. Stay low and keep firing. Facts. Hell, bro, what? Show me a job where you can make 500 take home, 1K take home every day with sitting on your ass crack. Sitting on your ass crack. You feel me? Sitting on your ass crack, bro. You know what I'm saying? In a real way. But nah, for real though. Some people are like, no, I don't sit down, Bruce. I lay down. Shut up. Get the fuck out of here.
You need to leave.
Alright, man. So look, whoever asked me, do I think it's going to blow past the golden zone? In hindsight, yes, it blew past the golden zone. It damn near hit the target of the golden zone on the other side. And it's damn near up here to the purple line, which is the 4-hour highs. Because that's where liquidity is, because they grabbed it down. Remember yesterday? They grabbed it up, so we took sales down. That's it. You grab it down, we take buys up. That's kind of it, y'all. Look for a liquidity grab, boom, we taking sales down. Look for a liquidity grab, we taking buys up. Right? So when we wait for this liquidity grab, I'll take nothing. There's nothing wrong with taking a sell down. You dig? Squid. They can rattle you to lose. They told her she had the record while trading or not get the payout. Oh, record while trading or not get the payout. You get what I'm saying? Like, bro, you got me fucked up, bro. Ugh, bro, that is crazy, bro. Listen, I done had some Apexes, though. I know about Apex and shit, but I done passed some. I done got payout eligible. But the way that shit's set up, bro, you have to make a certain amount of money before you can withdraw only a portion of it, right? And then it leaves you with a buffer. So I was just trying to, I made some thousands, right? I made some thousands, 2, 3, 4, 5,000, right? But I can only take out like 700 of it. I'm like, bro, I need more. Then I got up to like 900 that I can take out. And then what happens? I kept trading, trying to make more. And I fucking blew the account. This is a long time ago, months ago. But it happened, bro. Back when I got my first official take profit, top step payout months ago. Round around that time, I was about to get paid from Apex as well, because I can fucking trade. But the rules was just so crazy. And what if I did all that and they still denied it? Like, bro, what? No, I can't deal with that. Top step, bro, they will... If you do that shit, all right, so as soon as you can request a payout is at like 5:30, right? So at 5 o'clock, 5:30, that's when the back office refreshes. Not the new one, because I know the new one kind of instant. So I'm talking about the old one, the OG one. The OG one, it don't refresh till the end of the day around 5 o'clock, right? 5:30, 5 or 6, right? So at 5:30, you do your payout, just like that. Guess what? Straight to the purple. Straight to the purple, bro. Easy money, bro. I know some of y'all took that. Straight to the purple, straight to the money. So listen, hey, picture we just held our shit though. I'm not regretting nothing, but just, where did I get out? I was here to here. So if we took here to here and made about 300-400, right? That's another rack. I know this is 1,000. So that's, yeah, 14, 15, 16, 1,700 trade just by holding. So man, good shit, bro. Good trade, W day, plain and simple. One trade, hold it, trend direction. Those are trades we catching. Got it? So yeah, you pay you withdraw that shit at 5:30. The next morning, they'll usually be like, you'll get an email instantly. Thank you for your request. And then boom, the next morning, the next afternoon, they'll withdraw it from your account. When they subtract it from your account, now you're good. They done processed they done started the process of the payout, and then now you can keep trading. And then later that night, boom, whatever platform you withdrew to, whether it's wire transfer, ACH to your bank, or I do Wise. You do the Wise transfer. If you do Wise, bro, bink, Top Step has paid you. Bink, Wise, Top Step has paid you. Here's your payout. Bang, bang, bang. 24 hours later. Racks in your bank. Racks in your bank. Racks in your bank. Racks in your bank. And then you do that shit another 5 days. Take a day or two break, because you can't trade it while you're waiting on the payout. That's where people fuck up too. You request a payout and you keep fucking trading. So if you lose it and we get to your account and you're requesting 800, but your balance is now 700, you needed a $1,600 balance to withdraw that 8, right? So guess what? Your shit's gonna get denied, and of course you gotta keep back trading because you fucking lost like an idiot. So whenever you get a payout, don't fucking trade your account. So you're gonna realistically have a day break, at least one, and then maybe that second day break if they ain't took it out yet. And then when they take it out, that third day, if it takes that long, that's where you can continue trading. You dig? Squid? Alright, man, I'm out of here. W day. W week. Hey, Monday, we wake up, we do the same thing one day at a time. Got it? So let's get it, man. We out of here.
You need to leave.
And they got the Hennessy! They got the Hennessy!
Where's my shit?
You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walk.
All right, man. Enjoy y'all weekend, man. Let's get it.